Well, hello there. It's Margaret, and I am back for another beauty tip for you. So, if you're wondering if you should change your foundation during the summer, this video will be very helpful for you. If you're curious about what type of foundation based on your skin type you should use, then this video will be great for you too. So, I'm going to go ahead and jump in and get started here. I'm going to first just share with you some before and after pictures here. So let me go ahead and get my screen pulled up here. I'll make that as big as I can. Um, so these, first of all, I'm going to go through this one, before and after beauty, from barely there to beautifully covered. Find the perfect look. So don't we want to know what the perfect look is? So the first one here is our Mary Kay CC cream. I love this CC cream, especially in the summer. It's a great, I'm heading out to the beach kind of foundation. I'm running errands foundation, and you just don't want to look like, not good, right? You want to look a little bit of alive, but you don't want to like go through your whole makeup routine. I highly, highly recommend the Mary Kay CC cream. 8-in-1 benefits. It's not just a tinted moisturizer. This is more than just a tinted moisturizer. It's super lightweight, and it does look very natural. I love that about it. It doesn't feel heavy, cakey, nothing. And the CC stands for complexion corrector. So that is what it does. And let me just show you this before and after here. Of someone who has applied just the CC cream on the right-hand side there. So it just kind of smooths you out. It's a nice coverage. It gives you kind of a little bit of a glow. If you do not want any kind of glow to your skin, then I highly recommend just dusting some powder on top. Some translucent powder or a setting powder is perfectly fine. I would recommend that just to dust it on if that bothers you. But again, this is like you're running and going, you're working out, you're going to the beach, you're running errands. For some people that really are not into a fuller coverage foundation, then they would probably use this year round, actually. But this is great. The Mary Kay CC cream, and as it shows, it's got SPF 15 in it. So we need to make sure to get that extra coverage of sunscreen. So this matte foundation, the 3D foundation, is amazing. This one, let me see here. Oh yeah. Okay. You can kind of see now the difference. So we're switching from the CC cream that's demonstrated here in this before and after to a matte 3D foundation. So as you can see, there's a little less of a dewy finish, as you can see from here to here. Okay. So the matte 3D is, part of our, defending, delaying, and delivering of results in our skincare. And it's actually infused in the foundation as well. So that's what's pretty cool about this. So again, it's awesome. It's humidity and sweat resistant. Okay, so that's what the matte 3D foundation will do. And it's a little bit more coverage as well. So this one is the one that I pretty much use year round. If I'm really kind of doing my makeup full face and all of that, it's the matte 3D foundation. Okay, then let me show you here this luminous one. So the luminous 3D, as you can see here, I'm going to switch between the CC cream and the luminous. So the CC cream is a little lighter in the transparency, right? You can kind of see through it a little bit more, whereas the luminous, again, it's softer coverage. And the luminous 3D, again, it has the age minimized 3D complex in it. So it's got skincare basically in the foundation. But it's more for people that have drier skin. I find that they're really, really happy with the luminous. And if you also kind of like that a little bit of a dewy finish, but you need more coverage than the CC cream, that's where the luminous would come in. Okay. And then the Endless Performance Cream to Powder Foundation. This one actually has, in my opinion, the most coverage, but it's a cream to powder. So if you like using something in a compact and applying it like with a sponge, and you like to kind of get that dry feel after you put a foundation on, then this Endless Cream to Powder is awesome. So the 2-in-1 is it's cream to a matte powder finish. Okay, so that's the 2-in-1 formula. And it is also heat and humidity resistant as well. So it kind of just gives you that just nice, soft coverage again, but a little fuller, even still, versus the matte foundation. But it's going to be a similar finish, right? The matte and the Endless Performance Cream to powder means it's going to be a little bit more of a matte type of look. Whereas the CC Cream and the Luminous 3D Foundation, those are giving you more of a dewy look. So that is my tip here for you today. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen here and go back. And so dash out the door, CC Cream all the way. If you like dewy with more full coverage, then you can do your Luminous 3D Foundation when you're kind of going out and you're actually really doing your makeup. The cream to powder and the matte 3D foundation. Those are the two that are going to provide you more with a softer, fuller coverage, but a matte type of finish. So it kind of just depends on what finish you're going for, what event you're wearing your foundation for, and just keep it simple. But definitely in the summer, I highly recommend that CC cream. And I even use it just in the wintertime if it's a dash out the door situation. So that's when you just got to throw something on your skin and then head out the door, maybe a little mascara and gloss, and you're good to go. You look alive. So that's what I would recommend there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this up here to finish today. This is a number you can text the word match to. And when you do, I will send you a foundation finder quiz, a link to that. So it's a really cool quiz. You basically are just putting in, your skin tone, your preference in formulations and things, what your skin type is like. And it will actually give you a perfect foundation match in the formula that's best for you. So if you would like to get that foundation quiz, it's totally free. Just text the word match to the number on the screen here, 760-260-9490. So that's what I've got for you today. I will see you next time.